So after over a month of waiting and lots of emails between myself and the postage company, I finally received my Logitech G502 X Plus in the mail. So let's check it out. So I currently use the Logitech G502 Lightspeed. Once I got this mouse, I fell in absolute love with it. As soon as I heard that Logitech was re-releasing it and giving it a few upgrades, I went ahead and treated myself to the Logitech G502 X Plus. Now the main difference between the X Plus and the other versions of this mouse is that this one comes with the additional LightSync RGB. And I personally love RGB lighting. The G502 X Plus uses Lightspeed wireless technology. It has onboard memory profiles with 2 by default and 5 using the G Hub software. It has PTFE feet, 13 programmable controls, and 8 zone RGB lighting. It also uses a USB-C charging port. The G502 X Plus now comes with a Hero 25K sensor, getting you up to 25,000 DPI. All the buttons now have the Lightforce technology switches. You can get up to 120 hours of constant motion battery life or 37 hours with the RGB lights on. And we all know this is everybody's favorite part of an unboxing. Now I definitely love all the improvements they've made to the G502. It feels a lot better in the hand and I absolutely love the aesthetic of this mouse. The buttons and switches feel really responsive and they're nice and tactile and clicky. They've also fixed the scroll wheel looseness issue that used to occur on the original 502 Lightspeed. They've also given you the option to remove the DPI shift button and replace it with a static button. And of course, I love the customizable RGB lighting. Overall, I'm really happy with the quality and the build of this mouse. So, are you thinking of getting a Logitech G502X? Let me know down in the comments below what color you're thinking of getting. Are you going to get the white version or are you going to get the black version? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Otherwise, you can always check out my Twitch channel and ask the questions live on stream. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy the rest of your morning, day, afternoon, and night, and I'll see you in the next one.